guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's me again. So look what I got. I got it in the mail actually like middle of this week, but I figured I'd hold off until this weekend to open it with you guys. So I already pre-opened it. Let me open the rest, and there you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get all the meat out. Okay, so look, I'm so excited. Let's open this up with you guys. By the way, those who have joined my my giveaway, thank you so much. And if you haven't joined yet, guess what? You still have time until the 25th of this month, and that's July 25th is when it expires. 25th of June 2018. Anyway, here's the wilderness set. They come with the rings. They always come with rings. And here are the wilderness accessory templates. First, we have this tree. Well, this is the first one I grabbed, I should say. And then we have like a tent. Then I think this is a geotag, or I guess you can turn it around, make it look like a drop of water. And then we have a camper. How cute! And then, what is this? I'll figure what this one out. Anyway, there you go. Then we have a flashlight and mountains. So let's put this all back so I won't lose any one of this. And let's look at the kits. Adventure awaits. Let's start with the small ones. You make life bearable. Then at the back, these are if you want to make any, or you can include this in your layouts. And speaking of layouts, stay tuned to the end. I will create a layout with this. I don't do camping, but let me figure out and play with it and see what I can come up with. So just showing you the cards right here. These are so cute. Happy camper. It's a lot of 3x4s. But this is good because when you do pocket pages too, this will be awesome to add on. Oops. And then the 4x4s. I'm going through this a little fast, but I think you're getting the gist of the kit, I should say. So I'm really going through it real fast so that I can have time to do a layout with you guys. And the reason I'm doing it fast is I don't want my videos to be too long, so I just wanted to make sure that you guys get to see at least the kit as best as possible. These are so cute, perfect for summer when you go out camping. So I'm trying to figure this out. I maybe turn this into a travel layout because there's a lot of travel related papers. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, we don't do camping in this household. And we did only once. And that was when my daughter was I think she was a brownie then. When we did go out. Now this looks like this is going to be the base paper. Ooh, choices of which one to make and use. Oh, look, it has two. Awesomeness. This is also a nice one for base papers. So guys, I'll be right back. Guys, real quick, I just turned over this thing and look, there's some sample layouts here. So I think I'm gonna go for this. I'm gonna change it up, and I think I'm gonna change some of the papers and some of the templates, And that circle thing that I showed you earlier, it is, they made it into like a thing for a compass. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna work on this layout here and change it up a bit. Okay, I'll be right back. Hi guys, so I'm back. I've decided to make a 2-page layout. And for the first page on the left side, these are the templates that I'm going to use. I'll start off with the smallest bracket 1T from the tiny brackets. Then I'm going to use rings 4 from the rings accessories. Then we're going to use the wilderness, a part of this kit. That's the wilderness to the mountains. Then you know me and my strips. This is the 1/2-inch strip. Then I'm going to use this as a placer for, it's a 3-inch strip. Then of course the McKay Boulevard border. So this is how I'm gonna lay it.
We're going to start with the McKay Boulevard right there. Put it up there. Then we'll place the 3-inch strip down here. We're going to use my 1/2-inch strip to cover the seams. We're going to put the rings down here, and we're going to tuck the wilderness mountain over there. That way. Cut that little corner down here and put this on top. That corner up here on top. Then these are the photo placers that I'm going to use. These are from the photo layouts, or the templates I should say. I'm going to scoot this up a little bit so I can place the second 4x6 photo over there. And then I'm going to scoot this up a little bit, and I'm going to place the bracket down here. So that's...
Now on to the right side. On the right side, I will use this following templates. First one will be the Wilderness 6. On this layout, I'm not going to trace this hump over here. I'm just going to make it as a circle template. Then we have Adventures 2. We have the 3-inch strip once again, the 1/2-inch strip, and then we have the McKay Boulevard 2B. Okay, so let's get working. And this is how I'm going to create this layout.
So we're going to start with the McKay Boulevard 2B. This way, getting it down this way. And then we're going to put the 3-inch strip on top. Then we're going to have the 1/2-inch to cover the seams. Then I'm going to use the 3 photos. And these are the photo placers. I'm going to place 1 over on this side and 2 over here. Let's see how we're going to put that. Okay, this way. And then we're going to have that. We're going to have the star over here and the sentiment over there. Okay.
So this is what I'm using for the borders, for the McKay Boulevard borders. And let me show you how I am going to trace this too. How I'm going to trace them is I'm going to put this on top. And I actually already traced it. I already cheated a bit, and I started early. So basically, you'll get your pencil and then just trace it, right? And then I will butt the bottom of the 2B over there. Make sure I mark it here so I know where to trim it later. And then do this. Okay, so someone asked me how I cut my curvy lines here for the borders. So basically, I like using the detailed scissors, any kind of detailed scissors. That way it's easier for me to cut out the curves. And I try to always, you know, as scrapbookers, sometimes we end up moving our scissors, and I do this a lot too. I end up moving my scissors and then I catch myself and go, no, move the paper, move the paper. But, you know, it's really up to you and how you are comfortable cutting out your curves. So like for this, it's hard to see on this side sometimes because I use the dark side. I could have cut there. I could have traced over there in the back, but I already traced in front. I tried to move the paper as best I can. And then after that, after I cut this, I'm going to ink on the edges and then we'll take it from there. I'm also using this paper. I already traced it here. So I know I'm going to use the ring and I'm going to use the star, and I like to use the same paper. So what I just did, just so I won't waste the paper it's inside, I just went ahead and did the star over there. So guys, let me show you real quick how I ink my edges. So I just, at an angle like this, and then just slide it. So I don't do this motion, I just slide it. Okay, I hope this helps. Hey guys, I'm back. So I cut and inked the first page, or the left page is elements, and this is the paper that we're going to use. So I want it a bit colorful today. So here you go. We're gonna adhere the elements onto the base.
Okay, when I adhere this, I normally try to, as best I can, align it on the left side. Because since it's very curvy, the borders are very curvy, you just need to make sure that, they all line up, because it's going to get crooked. Then, the 3-inch strip. And then, of course, we're going to have to put the seam. You have to be careful with this. Every time I try to tack down the seam, it gets, when I put down the glue, it gets really crooked. So. There you go. And then, let me put the adhesive here, so, I'm going to put this on the top over here. I think that's good. And then, there you go.
If you notice, this is the 3x4 card. So this bracket actually is a short, see? So what I did was push it up and extend it all the way up there. And then I just went ahead and traced it and inked it. I'm going to use a photo placer or a photo template here to make sure this bracket is going to be in the center of the photo. There, and I'm going to place a 4x6 this way over here.
So I kind of have a placement there. I'm going to have to put glue here. Okay, there you go. That's how it's going to get placed.
So that's the first page. And then moving on to the second page.
So I'm back. I had to change the glue that I'm using. Okay, so I'm going to put it this way. This way. Here you go. And then we're going to place our photos right there, right there, and this one over here. I think I'm going to move this over. So it'll be a little centered. The photos will be a little centered. And put this up there. And now we're going to put the star. Like so. And then finish off with our star right here. And this is the sentiment I have right here. That's why I have the star. I think my lucky star's for you. I'm going to skew it a bit right there. And there you go, guys.
This is our 2-page layout using the June Kiwi Lane Kit Club. And there you go. So I changed it a bit from what our original layout is. So I hope you enjoyed this this video and this layout. And again, please feel free to scrap lift. So that's it, guys. Please thumbs up, comment down below if you do like this this layout, and subscribe. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.